Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am going to show you a very simple, easy to follow guide on how to install the Downloader application onto your Fire Stick or Fire TV device. Downloader is the absolute gold standard tool that millions of people use to sideload applications that are not available on the official Amazon App Store. Let us jump right into this fresh installation. First, turn on your device and make sure you are on the main home screen. Navigate to the left side of your menu until you highlight the magnifying glass icon. Click down into the search area and use the on-screen keyboard to begin typing the word Downloader. As you type, you will see a search suggestion pop up for the app below. Select it and look for the bright orange icon that has a capital D with a downward arrow. This is the official version, so make sure you do not download any other copycat software. Click on the orange icon, select Download, and give your system a few moments to install it. Once the installation finishes, do not open the app just yet. Press the Home button on your remote control because we want to add a convenient shortcut to your interface first. Scroll across your dashboard menu until you reach the icon made of 3 squares and a plus symbol. Click on it to bring up a full view of your software library. Scroll down until you find your newly installed Downloader icon. Press and hold the center select button on your remote control to highlight it. You can now use your directional pad to move the app up, or press the Options button with 3 lines on your remote to select Move to Front. This places the shortcut right on your home screen for quick access. Now, launch the Downloader application for the first time and click OK to bypass the initial welcome screen. You will see a blank address bar where you can type in any direct website link or application code to retrieve your files. Before you start downloading any third-party streaming apps from this interface, you must ensure your system is fully protected. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run any application smoothly on your streaming hardware. Turning on a premium VPN is essential to stop internet provider throttling, bypass geo restrictions, and keep your activity completely private. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below, so you can safeguard your setup right now. Once your connection is fully secured, you need to change one last critical security setting so the installer can function. Navigate over to the settings gear on your main dashboard, scroll down, and select My Fire TV. If you are using a smart television model, this menu might be labeled as Device and Software instead. Click on the Developer Options menu located right underneath the About section. Next, click into the option that says Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader listed on the screen, showing that it is currently turned off. Click the center button on your remote control to switch this permission to On. Your device will now fully trust the files you retrieve. That concludes today's quick setup guide for TechVibes. Sideloading is incredibly useful and opens up a whole new world of flexibility for your television hardware. If this installation walkthrough helped you out today, please drop a like down below to support the channel. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on all the best streaming tricks, and I will see you all in the next video.